Hello, how you doing? I'm I'm great now. It was a little hot today after it rained. It got yucky. And I'm in Atlanta right now. Just got through shopping with my friend Elizabeth, and yeah, we went over to Sam's. And guess what? I got a card. What? What? I got a Sam's card. Whoa! Yep. That new thing I bought for the phone, it it's a piece of crap. However, I have this one that that Elizabeth gave me is pretty good, but it's a little low, so I gotta figure. And stupid thing is in the way. Oh, wait a minute. That guy got this thing down. Maybe I can move. No, that didn't work at all. Never mind. Oh, maybe I can. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, apparently this is going to have to do right now until I figure this out. Oh, my hair is going like that. Yeah, yeah. Okay, who gives a shit? Okay. Anywho, like I said, I'm in Atlanta on my way south. Um, well, we're in there shopping for. I thought she was shopping for her. Ends up, she was shopping for me. And I think, oh my God, how am I gonna eat all this? So she said, why don't you get a pizza and so you can take it and eat it for supper and lunch next, whatever. And then okay, all right. And she wouldn't take a piece of pizza. She had ice cream. I'm eating a pizza. She's having ice cream. And so we get done. She starts putting everything in my car or in my van. I said, I can't take all this stuff. Can't you take some of it? No, I don't need that. So I got this huge box of cheese crackers, peanut butter crackers. How many is in there? I think it says 70, but I'm not sure. It can't be. Maybe it's 40. Maybe it's 40. 40 packages of those crackers. Yeah, I can put a hurt on that one. I can have my crackers for breakfast. No problem. Add a little jelly to it. Yeah. Let's see. Got those. Oh my. She got me some of the muffins from Sam's. And these suckers are this big. How am I going to eat all this stuff? And that's. she, she had to go in to Sam's to get her eyeglasses done. And when she comes out with ice cream. So, well, it's not ice cream, it's frozen yogurt, which is excellent. And she was mad earlier because they didn't have any rotisserie chicken. She wanted me to try it. So she hands me a rotisserie chicken. I'm thinking, oh my God. Sammy and I are going to be eating chicken tonight and tomorrow and possibly the next day. I'm glad gotta answer this, sorry. Okay, that was Tommy. We were making final arrangements for the weekend. So, yeah. All was good. So, I got all this food, and I'm wondering what the hell I'm going to do with it all. So, I bought this little cooler, right? It's like one of them little square igloo things. And I had bought a dozen eggs and some hummus and 2 packs of that the cheapy meat that's like $1.25. I had it in there, and at one time there was ice in there, and I had it outside underneath a chair for like 3 or 4 days. So I went to the trash and dumped it out, and I'm thinking, oh God, this is just gonna stink so bad, and but it didn't. It didn't. So I got to run over there. I probably told you that yesterday. If I did, I'm sorry. Um, anyway, I'm gonna go clean it out with vinegar and water, and then sprinkle some baking soda in there. Yeah, baking soda, and then I'm gonna put the chicken and pizza in there. Uh, so, yeah. That's my plan anyway. Yeah, that's my plan, Sammy. Oh, he wants that chicken in the worst way. Ow, ow, ow. Get up there. Get up there. Oh. Oh. He was a good boy in Sam's. Yeah, Sammy went in Sam's. He's good. He a little bit uneasy because we put him on a piece of cardboard and he was slipping and sliding because I forgot his blankie. I'm a bad mom. I'm a bad mom. Forgive me, Sammy. Anyway, I've had a wonderful day. Um, it was nice. It was nice seeing my friend, and you know, she gave me some stuff. I gave her some stuff. It was all fun. So, yeah. Let's see. So anyway, I'm gonna go go out and get some ice right now, and I've got the baggies and everything that I can put the stuff in. So I gotta get this food taken care of, and then I'm gonna go crochet a little bit because I'm not driving anymore today. I'll drive some tomorrow. So you okay? You guys. Was there anything else I was gonna tell you? Yeah, I was just thinking someone might be pulling my leg or something because, usually YouTube payday is the 21st, right? So that was yesterday, and my bank account hasn't changed at all. And I'm thinking, is someone playing with me? Am I getting, is someone, has someone got it out for me that they're just fake subscribing and just being, tards about trying to, I don't even know how you would do that because that's a lot of subs, but you'd have to be busy all the time. But I just wonder how come I haven't got I haven't seen any money deposited. So I don't know if I don't know if it's a certain amount. Do they pay you a different day or something? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not used to getting paid from YouTube, okay? Sometimes it takes me 3, 4 months to get $100. So, hey. Anywho, and I wouldn't even know who to call to check on it. I mean, who do you call? There's no live person that you can call at YouTube until you hit, mega uh, subs. Like from what I understand, you get to talk to a live person if you have 30,000 subs. But I don't know if that's true or not. Um, And then if you have questions, you can actually talk to a live human being, you know? But until then, you're just, you're just, you know, spitting in the wind. So anyway, I'm rambling, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, we're parking, I think, at Sam's tonight, unless I check Overlander and see if I have a truck stop, because there was someone that wanted to see me how I park at a truck stop, so I might do that. So I'll probably be back. Bye. Okay, someone wanted to know how I pick a truck stop. They wanted me to show them what I do. So my first thing is I drive around and look and see, do I like this one or not? And I'm thinking not. And now I usually like Flying J truck stops, but this one, I don't know. It's kind of out of the way. So I'm not sure. I don't think I'm going to pick this one. I think that I am going to go down the street a little bit. Now I'm not going to stay here at this BP station. Oh my God, did you see that? Oh, she was happy dancing. Ooh. Okay. Alright. A lot of trucks. Okay, where am I going? What am I doing? I don't know. Okay, yeah, I'm right. Don't worry, I'm right. Okay, I am gonna go down the street, across the interstate to the TNA truck stop. Let's see how that one looks. They're usually pretty nice. And there's a Pilot over here too, so I got two choices to go to. Sky looks wicked. Hold on. Looks worse in real life. It's dark. Scary. Okay. Oh, I think I've stayed here before. Yeah, I remember this drive. This TNA truck stop's pretty good. So we're gonna stay here. Oh, no, that's a Love's. Wow. Love's TNA. Wow. Love's are kind of hit and miss. Sometimes they allow you to park overnight, and sometimes they want to be big stinkers about it and say no. So, all right. Gonna bypass them. We're gonna go right down here. Hopefully I won't get hit by Mr. Trucker Man. Okay. Now my usual thing to do would be park right by a a street light, okay? I like plenty, I like plenty of light, okay? Normally, I want to park at the end, so I only have to worry about traffic coming in one way, you know. Like, I don't want cars being on both sides of me. So I like to park at the end. But I'm not parking there. Because I don't want to. So, anyway, going around here. This looks like it's going to be a pretty good place. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so I am going to circle around. I picked this light right here. This one right there. So I'm going to park right next to it and always back in. Makes for a good getaway. You always want to be prepared to be able to get the hell out of a situation. So I'm backed in. I think I'm good. I don't know what those letters on there mean. I don't know if they're just old or not, but I'm here. So that's my way of picking out my truck stop. I like it for the light. Hold on. I like the light because, you know, I do crochet in the van. God, that's awful close. Get over here. I work at night, crochet and stuff, because I'm not, you know, I have to stop before dark. But what am I going to do, sit here and do nothing? No, I can't do that. So I'll crochet, and the main thing is, with the lights around me, it's not as evident as that someone is in the van, okay? I have my curtains, so a little light gets through, but it's not going to be as noticeable as if I'm parked over there in the middle and it's dark and I got my light on because I'm crocheting, you know, so that's it. Now, I put my seat belt through I'll show you Sammy's. No, I'll show you. Can you see? Oh, well, hell's bells. Okay. I got the seat belt through the handle, and it's clipped right here. So, no one is going to open that door, okay? They'd make an awful racket, for one thing, because I've got that for Sammy's, you know, not, sometimes he likes to try and get out. So, it's for his protection that I have that thing up there. So, both of my front doors are seat belted. And, you know, I've always got Sammy to warn me. So now it's chicken time, people. Me and Sammy are going to have some chicken. Yeah, we're going to have some chicken. Are you ready for that? Huh? Yeah? You want some chicken? Chicken? Huh? Yeah, he's ready. So, take it easy. Take the long way home.